with replacement, without replacement questions, with probability tree diagrams. Now, you may also be asked a algebraic probability question. Have a read of this and try to do it on your own. So the reason why it says this question famously made the national news was because it was in a GCSE paper. Nobody was expecting this, and almost everybody got this wrong, and therefore there was a lot of talk about it, which is why it made it to the news. So have a pause, so pause this video, try it on your own, see what you can do. Right, now that I think that you've done it on your own, let's try and comprehend this. Now, you know me, I need some diagrams. I'm a visual learner myself. It says 6 out of n sweets are orange, rest are yellow. So let's try and make it into a little bit of let's try and make some sense out of it. So here's my bag. There are n sweets in it. 6 out of the n sweets are orange. Okay, the rest are yellow. That means n minus 6. So, forget the 6 that are orange. The rest, n minus 6, out of n are yellow. Now the question says the probability that Hannah eats 2 orange sweets is 1/3. So orange and orange equals 1/3. So probability that she has, she gets on random, she picks an orange sweet is 6/n. And means to multiply. The second orange sweet. So she's picked out the first one, she's ate it. So actually there are only 5 remaining. And the total is now n minus 1 because she's eaten that one orange sweet. Now I'm just going to multiply. That's 30 over n squared minus n equals 1/3. Times this by 3, so I don't have a fraction. So that's 1 equals 90 over n squared minus n. Times the denominator, I'll take the denominator over. Bring the 90 there. Just like the question wanted. Okay, wasn't too hard at all, was it? Then it says solve n squared minus n minus 90 equals 0. So solving that, and I'm pretty sure you can do it. You have to find factors of negative 90. So two numbers that add to make negative 90, times to make negative 90 and add to make negative 1. And that's your positive 9 and negative 10. You put it into your brackets. Now, n cannot be, so I appreciate that there are 2 solutions. N is negative 9 and n is positive 10. But how can n be negative 9? The number of sweets cannot be minus, okay? So that's that answer you neglect. Although algebraically it makes sense, but in real life it does not.